Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to improve battery life on your Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G smartphone. To improve the battery life on your device, let's open settings, and first of all, let's go to battery settings right here. Now, what we can do in here is first of all enter Battery Checkup and see what actions we can perform in order to increase battery lifetime. You can either tap right here to optimize everything, every recommended feature that your smartphone can, or manually optimize your device by, for example, by selecting some options or features from this list and turning them on. For example, the dark mode will extend your battery life by 1 hour and 25 minutes until you have to recharge your battery again. So we can, for example, enable dark mode on our device. We can also turn off always on display here. We can clear memory 10 minutes after locking the device. I will also show you how to make this span even time span even smaller, so that the cache is cleared constantly. And to apply changes, just tap right here. Now the next thing that we can do is go to charging. Go to battery protection. And here select either smart charging or battery protection to protect your battery in long-term periods of time. Basically, if you use your smartphone, if you have some kind of routine of recharging your device, then I highly recommend using smart charging feature. This way your smartphone will adapt to your charging routine, and therefore will adapt the charging process so that your smartphone is fully charged by the time you unplug it from the charging cable. Now, if you don't have a specific routine but you still want to protect your battery, you can enable battery protection mode. This way your battery will only charge up to 80% of its capacity, and then stop charging stop charging in order to not overcharge your smartphone. So use one of these two options. And now also go to additional features, and here, as I said before, we can change the cache clearing, auto cache clearing time from, for example, 10 minutes to 5 minutes if you want to, and we can do it as frequently as once in a minute in order to keep the device's memory clear. But use, I think 10 minutes will be the most comfortable for you. Also, enable cold endurance mode to limit the device performance to extend battery in cold environments. And besides, go scroll a bit lower in the battery menu to find out which applications cause your battery to drain the most of its power. And if you want to restrict some background activity for one of these applications in order to extend your battery lifespan, you just have to select such app and then change the battery saver restrictions to restrict background apps. And this way you will fully disable background activity for this selected application. Or if you don't recognize some application on the list, you can easily uninstall it by selecting the app and then tapping uninstall right here. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.